Hello friends, it's me Alize and today I'm gonna share a 2 steps remedy for our most common issue in summer season. Yeah, I'm talking about suntan, which usually appears on face, neck, arms and hands. So first of all we need to know what is tan. Basically, suntanning or tanning is the process whereby skin color is darkened or tanned. It is most often a result of exposure to ultraviolet radiations from sunlight. Second is precautions. First precaution is always use sunscreen, means SPF cream before going out. It will protect your skin from UV radiations. Second precaution is always drink plenty water to make your body and skin hydrated. So now I'm gonna tell you 2 steps home remedy for remove your tanning. First step is scrubbing. For making a scrub, we need 1 tablespoon of rice flour and half tablespoon of honey. Mix them well and then gently apply it on your face and all over the infected areas. Then give a gentle massage. It will remove all the dead or rough skin and prepare your skin for second step. Now in second step, we prepare a tan removal mask. For making this mask, we need 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric, 4 to 5 drops of lemon and last 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix them well. Our mask is ready. Now you can apply it all over your face, neck, arms and hands where you got tanning and just leave it for 20 minutes. After that, rinse it with fresh water. This mask naturally exfoliates your skin that provides an even skin tone. It deeply cleans and brightens your skin. In short, this mask will remove all the tan from your skin and gives you a bright, hydrated and even skin. You can use this mask for 7 days and you will see the best phase of your skin. If you really want more these type of informative videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching.